ZGO Cloud provides the background segmentation feature, which is achieved through object segmentation. It supports two object segmentation methods: green screen segmentation and portrait segmentation. You can set up a green screen, and the non-green screen area, such as the object, can be segmented. This allows for real-time background changes and precise background segmentation. It is suitable for scenarios like e-commerce live streaming and online exams. If you don't have a green screen, use portrait segmentation. It can automatically identify and segment foreground objects from the background. This method is suitable for scenarios such as online education and video conferences. ZGO Cloud provides various background segmentation features that can be used in a wide range of use cases. You can enable background blurring to keep the focus on the main subject and improve the teaching effectiveness of virtual classrooms. You can replace the area outside the main object with custom images or colors to create an immersive virtual meeting environment. You can transparent the background of the object and overlay it on video content to provide more screen space for audiences, such as screen sharing or playing videos. Want to know more? Visit zgocloud.com.